Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta low-calorie. We'll start by selecting the right pasta type, focusing on options that offer more nutritional value and fewer empty calories. Then, I'll guide you through smart portion control, a crucial step in reducing overall calorie count without sacrificing satisfaction. Finally, we'll explore how to bulk up your meal with vegetables, making it filling and delicious. Next, let's talk about sauces, a major contributor to pasta's calorie count. Ditch heavy cream sauces for lighter, vibrant tomato-based alternatives. These offer rich flavor with significantly fewer calories and less saturated fat. Enhance your sauce with fresh herbs like basil and oregano, plus a pinch of red pepper flakes for a kick, instead of relying on cheese or oil for taste. Making your own sauce gives you full control over its nutritional profile. To truly make your pasta low-calorie, maximize your vegetable intake. Incorporate spiralized zucchini or squash directly into your pasta, effectively replacing some of the higher-calorie noodles. Sauté a generous amount of non-starchy vegetables like mushrooms, bell peppers, and spinach, mixing them into your sauce. This strategy adds bulk, fiber, and nutrients, making your meal more satisfying without adding many calories. It's a simple way to enjoy a larger portion. Finally, remember to be mindful of toppings and additions. A little olive oil goes a long way, and excessive cheese can quickly add hundreds of calories. Instead, focus on lean protein sources such as grilled chicken breast or shrimp to boost satiety without the extra fat. These small adjustments make a big difference in your overall calorie intake. For more great tips and deals, including a link to those amazing darn tough socks, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.